So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Fidelity account. Now we're actually here on the app in real time, and you can see we're actually currently on the home page of our Fidelity account. Now there's a couple different ways you can go ahead and add funds. Obviously the very first option here is if you are brand new to your account, you'll have the add funds options. But just in case you don't have this option right over here, the next thing you can do is click over here on the center of the screen that says transact, which it has also that $ icon. When you click on here, it's going to bring up a pop-up menu, and there is going to be a transfer button right over here. It has that $ with the arrow pointing to the right. Let's click on this. And then from right over here, we have our transfer options. Now, the first thing we have to do is choose where we're pulling our money from. So the from option here, there is a little toggle down button. Let's click on this. And that's going to show you all of your accounts. Now, we already have a bank account from an external account added, which we have a separate video on how to do just that, which you can technically also click right over here and just go through the steps yourself, or you can watch our video in the show notes down below. But for us, since we already have our bank on file, we're gonna go ahead and choose our bank. And then it's gonna ask which account we want to transfer into, which we're gonna go ahead and toggle down on that bottom arrow. And then of course, we wanna choose our Fidelity account that we're adding money to. Now from here, it's gonna ask the frequency. It's currently toggled on just once, but you can go ahead and hit the toggle down button to choose if you wanna have it happen on a weekly basis, bi-weekly, or even monthly basis, and then the date that you want this transaction to go through. Now from down here, when we scroll to just a little bit more, you could see the amount that we want to transfer. You can do anything from $1 to 250,000 if you needed to. But for us today, we're gonna just go ahead and do an example of $1 and click on done. And then from right over here, we're gonna click on review at the very bottom. And here it's gonna do a quick overview, making sure you're pulling from the right account, having it go into the correct investing account you'd like, as well as the date that you choose to have this transaction go through. If everything here looks good, we're going to click on the word submit. And just like that, we are adding money to our Fidelity account. Now there's more to show you when it comes to utilizing your new Fidelity account, and we actually got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.